Hey guys, welcome back to a burst of flavor cooking. Today we're going to be making almond butter gluten-free keto-friendly cookies. We will need 1 cup of almond flour, half cup of sweetener, a tablespoon of butter, 1 large egg, a tablespoon of vanilla, and half cup of soft almond butter. Combine all these ingredients well and use a tablespoon to spoon the batter onto your baking tray. Or if you want to be really creative, use a cookie cutter to get the desired shapes. Bake the cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. That's it guys, another easy and delicious recipe from Nat 4 Island Living. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, walk good.